Welcome to the world of giant woodcutters. Let's explore the power and speed that advanced machines bring, as well as useful applications in forestry. These experiences will not disappoint you. Let's start. Enter the Bomalite, Sa 530, a formidable tree, saw mounted on a powerful Kubota S75 skid steer. This powerful combination is a force to be reckoned with, easily tackling tree felling tasks with precision and speed.
Such as what you see here in our video. Thanks for watching.
Dive into the world of precision cutting with the Timber Pro Tel 745 mower in New Hampshire. With its impressive cutting capacity and precision, engineered design, the Timber Pro Tel 745 has left an impression on the forestry industry. This machine boasts numbers that speak volumes about its performance. Enter the heart of the dense forest, where giant machines reign supreme. With huge cutting capacity and unparalleled efficiency, easily conquer towering trees with absolute power and precision, and the harvest numbers are astonishing. Introducing the Stihl, Mrs. 880, a giant chainsaw with a 150 chem blade designed to conquer the biggest woodworking challenges. This massive machine combines raw power with precision, reducing large logs into manageable sections in record time. Next, the Stihl Mrs. 231 saw handles 50 logs with unprecedented precision, turning giant logs into small pieces of wood. Stihl Mrs. 231. Stihl Mrs. 231 demonstrates its superiority in processing large-sized wood. The X15 excavator, 13 case packed with precision and power, this beast of a machine can carve through giant blocks of wood with efficiency. Timber Pro X27 is an advanced woodcutting machine designed for efficiency. With a large 27-inch blade and 1500 RPM speed, this machine reduces tree felling and processing time, making it a game changer in the industry. The 750 excavator blade, an advanced marvel, turns towering logs into neat, easy to manage firewood. Discover the Steel Mrs. 261 as a precision-engineered chainsaw to skillfully handle large blocks of wood. Powered by a powerful 50.2 engine, it produces an impressive 3.0 horsepower, ensuring optimal performance in demanding wood carving jobs. Next, the TigerCat 855 mower is equipped with the powerful 570 harvesting head, a dynamic duo that redefines efficiency in the forestry sector, with incredible feeling capabilities and lightning, fast handling. This machine dominates rough terrain, demonstrating its ability to handle giant trees with precision. Close-up of the logging process of the Logmax 7000s, mounted on a John Deere 2154, a dynamic duo that is revolutionizing logging in the heart of the forest. In a dense American forest, the Barco 260 with Logmax 7000's precision is a formidable combination that dominates the hardest woods, handling and sawing hardwood with ease. The Barco 260 Logmax 7000's combo not only excels in efficiency, but also achieves outstanding performance. Unleash the power of the Australian hardwood beast, the excavator saw. With its superior cutting capabilities, it can easily handle the hardest Australian woods. Equipped with a powerful motor, the machine has a cutting force of 20 tons, helping to perform the job quickly on even the most difficult types of wood. A top-notch logging run with the Timber Pro 10735, equipped with the Steadfast Jeep Skidmore KEF 22 fixed head. This dynamic duo tackles the hardwood in the middle of the woods with precision and power. Achieving impressive efficiency and output figures, setting new standards in logging. Discover the MD Koala range, an advanced tree felling masterpiece with a purpose, built heavy-duty chassis to ensure it is stronger, more resilient and sturdier, taking tree mastery to the next level, a new level. The Style Miss 231 saw is a symphony of power and precision in the hands of lumber enthusiasts. With a powerful 2.8 kW motor and a chain speed of 16.5 menzo, this sturdy machine easily moves through the toughest woods, turning giant logs into small ones. The Style Mrs. 880 and Husqvarna 3000 120 XB are two giants that have reshaped the forestry landscape. Let's watch the process of the Timber Pro TEL 755 cutting machine cutting cedar on the west coast. Start your logging journey with the style Mrs. 211, Mrs. 230 and Mrs. 231 chainsaws. Whether it's the gentle versatility of the Mrs. 211, the powerful performance of the Ms. 230 or the balanced power of the Ms. 231, every saw brings its own charm to the forest's symphony. Experience the awesome power of the Tiger Cat L-Site 155E as it conquers the jungle world. Has a capacity of 380 horsepower, ensuring fast and effective wood cutting. Outstanding reach and incredible feeling capacity, this machine stands tall, reshaping the forestry landscape with its sheer power. These devices are vital to modern forestry, using technology and environmental awareness to excel in large-scale tree removal. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest videos. See you again in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.